What's up everybody, today we're switching up these fog lamps or cornering lights in the Skoda Superb with these H8s or H11s or H9s, the same thing. And these fog ones here, they actually have luminous intensity of 4000 LM in each bulb. What that means is they're going to be pretty damn bright. And a color temperature of 6500 kelvins, which will make them pretty damn white. So let's quickly get in and switch these up. So to begin the process, you're going to need no tools, it's all going to be done with your bare hands. And you see this little slit out here in the low bumper area? You're going to pull right on this corner and it'll come out right away. So now to remove the fog lamp, all you need to do is just simply bend it from one corner. By bend I meant you just bend this clip right out here, and then it just simply slides right out. So that's about it. It's the simplest process that you'll find compared to any other car. So get this out now, disconnect the old lamp, just simply clip on that and just pull it out. You can also disconnect the daytime running light if you wish to, but that's not really needed for now. Just twist this and that's it, that's your light. Basic H8 halogen by Philips is out of it. So now to connect these, all that I'm going to do is just simply push it into the slot, turn it that way, signaling it's connected, tight as ever, and then just simply reconnect it into the socket. And that's it, we're done. Now to push it back in, simply push it that way, it clips right in. Take the bumper slit cover and move it right into its place. Clips in that way and we're done. So that does it for the installation, and it was pretty much simple. I'm sure you guys could put your hands in it and get it done as well on your Superb. So if you do like to see such kind of do-it-yourself stuff, please do drop a like on this video. It'll really help, as well as subscribe to the channel so you'll know whenever I post the next one.